Hey guys, welcome to another showcase today, and this is the Simple Obstacle Course project pack in Unity. And this is a really good start to if you wanted to create a game like Fall Guys, and it includes a rigid body controller, being able to move and jump, as you can see, being able to control your movement in the air, have input controls, and up to 10 different obstacles. So as you can see in our screen here, it's a rigid body based system which allows us to have a bunch of different objects. So we can use the mouse to move around our character. We've got a pushing set of objects which will push against the player. We've got a ball that we can push around, a moving platform, platforms that disappear over time, a spring based system which will push you away from a particular object if you go near it, these bouncing balls, a sort of seesaw effect which you can choose, a moving spinner, and some things that you can sort of crash through and knock physics objects over. So in the pack it'll come with the controller, basic setup with the scripts which control all the different things. You can even respawn if you fall out of the area, and it has lots of different scripts for creating the bounces, the swinging objects, the falling platforms, the rotator objects, and you can learn a lot from this. And it includes different types of physics objects to create the idea that when you're on this pink, to create different elements. So when you're on this pink, it's actually more slidey than other things because you keep on sliding after you've let go of the actual mouse itself. So it lets you create loads of unique little scenarios, and this is completely free on the Unity Asset Store, so you can check it out. And if you do like the things that I show, be sure to look at my Patreon, the community Discord, and my great assets on the Unity Store, especially at this very moment because the sale is currently on. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.